Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google Chrome has a organized tabs that's part of the search tabs where you can organize your different tabs using AI. And this is a feature that has come and gone a little bit in the stable version, but I see on one of my devices in Chrome Canary that it has made a comeback over the last couple of days. And I'll post a video where I did a hands-on using the organized tabs using AI. If you would like some more information, I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen. And also, if you're wondering what this button is all about, this is the new combo button. And I'll also leave that video link down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more info. Now, my reason for posting is because it seems now that the organized tabs using AI may have a new little setting and feature that Google has added to the actual organized tabs to basically identify inactive tabs. So where we can do this is we head to our main menu, more tools, and here's a new little section called Review Inactive Tabs. And if you click on that, if you have any inactive tabs, obviously it will let you review those tabs, and you can keep the tabs, X out of them, and so on. I don't, because apparently the section shows tabs that haven't been used for more than 7 days. Okay, so that's a bit extreme, but you get the general idea. So if this will be of any benefit, it's anyone's guess. But nonetheless, you have the option. If you click on Organized Tabs, you can review your inactive tabs, or you've got this setting, Review Inactive Tabs, which just takes you directly to that, whichever way you want to get there. So just a little feature, nothing major to write home about, but I thought this was interesting. And it's going to be interesting to see when this organized tabs using AI is actually going to start making a comeback in the stable version, because it did start rolling out and then Google pulled it. And I posted a video on that, but now it seems to be slowly trickling in the early preview version. So it's going to be interesting to see where this is going to end up, because Google has been pushing a lot of AI into the Chrome browser, as you may well know. So it's going to be interesting to see where this organized tabs does eventually land up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.